Let's talk about using Google Translate for conveying simple oral instructions in the classroom. Just simply type in Google Translate. And I tend to like, sometimes your computer will give you different versions, but I tend to like to use this one. You do want to make sure that you have the mic icon in the corner of the box, or this method won't really work. So once you're ready to give instructions to students, simply just click the mic icon. Please copy down the notes I have written on the board. And then you can just simply click the other icon and it'll speak out what you've spoken.
Copie las notas que he escrito en la pizarra.
You can repeat the instructions,
Copie las notas que he escrito en la...
but you'll probably notice those are very slow. It kind of sounds half drunk. If your students obviously aren't going to need that slower version, so if you're getting that slow version, simply turn it off
Copie las notas que he escrito en la pizarra.
and turn it right back on again, and it'll give you the quicker version, and it'll rotate in between those two versions. If a student needs clarification, you can simply click the arrows in the middle, erase what you have on there, and then they can speak to you in the same manner. ¿Me puedes repetir las instrucciones, por favor? No las escuché la primera vez. And then they can pretty effectively communicate with you too. Obviously, you probably don't need to hear the English. If you want, sometimes I like to play with it in class just because I have 3 or 4 different, sometimes 5 or 6 different language groups, and they like to hear each other's languages.
你可以重复给我的指示，请不要我第一次听到它们吗？
It also helps me make sure that I'm treating everybody equally and giving instructions in everybody's language. One note on this, with our Ukrainian students, I would stay away from the Ukrainian translation. Typically, most Ukrainian students will ask me for the Russian translation. They usually speak both, and for some reason, Professor Google just does a whole lot better with Russian. Anyway, I hope that helps, and I hope you have fun with it.